This is point B. Where he should reach? He must reach here. He must reach at this particular point. So this is the, I think symbols, I'll change it. So here K, this is M. He must reach at L. Tell me how he should head, himself. His velocity of swimmer with respect to river should be like this. I'll take theta. Say anything, it's left to you. Any of the reference you can take it. So here, as question given phi. Then the river current will push this is the BBR, no? These symbols will change. Velocity of boat. Okay, look at now, see all this. There's the width of the river. So what is our question? We have to calculate this angle. How long would the trip will take? It's telling how long the trip will take. So where they start, where is the end point according to the question given? This is the end point. You ask the boatman where you are heading. He will say that I'm heading somewhere here. But the river current will push him. So because of that, he will reach it. Okay, proceed in the same way. Who will determine time taken to cross the river? W by VBR sine phi. W is how much? 0.5 kilometer. Convert that. I think all are in kilometer. No need to change anything. So just 0.5. You write. What is VBR? Velocity of boat. Still water is telling what to do. Same. It's velocity of boat with respect to flowing river only it is. So this is phi sine phi. So T is equal to 1 by 10 sine phi. Keep this equation in hand. Come for the drift. Now what is the expression for drift? You write it in this case. I think yesterday we ended up last thing, no? Last discussion, that was I made also some correction. One of you suggested correction. I made even the correction also. So if you are getting again the little bit difficulty, go back to the basics. So what the basics will tell? VBR x equal to VBX minus VRX. What is VBRX here? Minus VBR cos phi. This I don't know. This is plus VR. VBX equal to VR minus VBR cos phi. Why negative sign? Anything directed towards left, I'll take it negative here. If you take it towards left positive, then VR you should substitute negative sign. It's left to you. Since it's a convention, no? Negative x-axis will take negative, that one. Along towards left will take negative, towards right positive. The same convention I'm continuing here. So if you want, you can show that convention like this. Fine. Now we'll determine the drift. We'll determine the drift. The drift depends on VBX, no? So write it now. Write the formula now. X is equal to. I'll scroll down. VBX into T. So this is VR minus VBR cos phi. What is value of T? 1 by 10 sine phi. Again, do we know value of X? It is given, no? 0.5 kilometer. 0.5. Or if you keep it as it is, no? Later you can. So anyway, like I'll substitute the values here. No? So 0.5. VBX, VR value?
1, sir.
1, no? VR value is 1. VBR, anybody? 0.5. This also. Cos phi 1 by 10 sin pi.
Sir, 5, sir, VPA.
VBR 5, sir.
VBR is 5. Huh? Yeah. Okay, 10 into 0.5, this will become phi sin phi is equal to 1 minus phi cos phi. So sin phi plus cos phi equal to 1 by phi. Adjust 1 by root 2. Sin A cos B cos A sin B 1 by phi root 2. So this will become sin A sin B formula. Sin of phi plus phi by root 2.
Sir, sir,
Yeah.
velocity of river is 2 km per hour, right, sir?
Somebody
Yes,
said
sir.
1, no? Somebody said 1. Okay, I'll change it, man. What is there in that one? Somebody said 1, I wrote 1. I'll change it. 2, no, it is. Yeah, here I'll think.
Sir, we have to take the drift to be negative, no, sir.
Which one?
Drift minus 0.5, no, sir.
No, the values will substitute, no. The value of VR and VBR will decide that.
Sir, but according to the figure what they have given, the drift is negative, right? It's to the left
So
side
no
of
more like the values of VR, VBR will see. You are. I think again I'll stick on to the basics. If you row the boat up the stream, drift is positive, negative will determine.
the velocities.
Can you show that one?
But sir, it's already mentioned that it's negative, right? I mean, if it's mentioned, we should consider it, right?
Okay, here the value of x, no? Okay, no. We'll substitute all the things with sign. VR will be there. VBR. Already I substituted sign here, no? This should be negative. Negative will come. This is 2, no? Then we'll end up with minus sin pi minus sin phi minus of 1 by 5. Okay. The drift is towards left, no? We know the value. It is. So sin phi 1 by root 2. Okay, this is. Okay, check the value, no? Sin inverse of. This will be minus of 45 degrees minus of
Let us sin phi minus cos phi equal to minus 1
phi cos phi minus of sin phi, no? I'll
Sir,
change
and
this.
VR is equal to 2, right?
Okay, I'll make changes. I'll make changes. This part I'll erase. I'll write fresher again adjustment. The drift is negative, no? So I'll make adjustment here. So this will be 2. So this will be minus of phi sin phi 2 minus phi cos phi. So this will become phi cos phi equal to 2. So cos phi minus sine phi equal to 2 by 5. So adjust 1 by root 2. So I think this will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this will become cos of 5 plus 45 degrees 2 by 5.
Sir, root 2
But
by 5.
root 2 by 5 will come here. Root 2, this will be root 2 by 5.
Sir, if we take it in sine terms, so it would be much easier, right?
So what will be it? So this will be phi is equal to cos inverse of root 2 by 5 minus 45 degrees. So this should be the angle, this one. With respect to river bank, what should be 180 minus 5? Because always with respect to river current, we should say. River current means the river is, this is the VBR. This is VR, no? What we measured is this value. So this value is what always we should mention. With respect to river current. With respect to river current means it should be alpha, not phi. I think in books, what happened, they have made that a convention. So here I just asked you what is the angle in which it should swim with respect to river current means it's alpha, not phi. So what is alpha now? Angle made by the velocity of boat with respect to river current. Always everything I should express in terms of alpha here. So this will be, alpha will be pi minus phi, that is. This angle is what? Our answer. And this is a convention. Okay, no, I think this sign, you have to be careful. So up the stream, down the stream. So there's one basic method. See, on one side, you already know theory, no? So like knowing theory and coming for numerical, little bit totally different method in physics. Okay, just see once all this calculation. We'll go for next case. It need not be 500. I can get, I can take 400, 300 meter. So what is a situation here? The path is fixed here. In earlier problem, what happened? The path we don't know. Here sometimes I'll make a path fixed here.